If I had to learn UI UX design in 2026, this is exactly how I would do it. But first, let me give you a quick background about how I started as a designer and how I landed a job as a UI UX designer here in Canada. So I actually started out as a graphic designer back in 2014. I was a logo and brand identity designer. I also do posters, business cards, print materials. I was doing freelancing back then in a platform called 99 Designs. Then in 2019, a client actually asked me if I also did web designing. So obviously I said yes, but I really had no idea how to do web design back then. So I just went on YouTube, started Googling like web design samples, tutorials, just to make it through that project because, you need that money, right? I just created my first web design and obviously it was really bad. And the actual result was horrible because I didn't really know anything about the foundations of UI or even UX. I just know how to do logos and use Photoshop and Illustrator. That was my only skill set back then. So fast forward to now, I'm currently working as a UI UX designer for a real estate company here in Canada. So the first thing that I would do if I were to learn UI UX design, you need to actually learn about the difference between UI and UX. So UI means user interface. It's what the user actually sees. The layout, the colors, the typography, the buttons, the cars that you see on website, it's all the user interface. It's the visual layer that sits on top of those UX decisions. So on the other hand, UX means user experience. It's about how the product works. It involves user research, testing, understanding human behavior. So in UX, there's a framework called Double Diamond. I won't dive deep into how it works right now, but basically it's this process of understanding the problem and developing a solution. After learning the difference between UI and UX, I jumped into learning the foundation. This is where I skipped when I started learning UI UX. I had graphic design foundations, but web and UI UX design has its own set of rules. Color theory, type systems, grid layouts, visual hierarchy, all those foundations are important. So these aren't the same as just laying out a brochure design. So I recommend to spend time here before anything else. Then, after learning all the foundation, you can now learn the tool. The tool that everyone uses for UI UX designing is Figma. It's free to start. It's the industry standard. You can use it via browser and it's really fun to use. So when you're starting to learn Figma, you don't need to learn all of it. You can first learn frames, text, shapes, how to do auto layout. And I think that's enough to build real things. You can always watch YouTube tutorials about Figma, how to use it, how to design using Figma, how to learn auto layout, all those good stuff. But don't forget to apply it, which leads to the next step. So the next one is copying. I know the word copying sounds wrong, but when you're learning design, replicating others people's work is one of the best things that you can do. Go to Dribble, Behance, Mobbin, find the screen that you like, and actually try to do it or replicate it from scratch in Figma just by looking at it. This is also how you build taste. You start to see something that makes it feel more premium or even more generic. You can actually fake that. It comes from volume and practice. So the next advice that I would give beginners that are learning UI UX, actually use AI. This is the biggest advantage that you have right now that I didn't have back when I was learning design. When I started, I just learned by purely watching YouTube tutorials, Googling web design samples and just copying them. I don't have anything or anyone that I can ask about how to do this or that, what's better. I don't have the privilege that you have right now where I can just type in ChatGPT or Claude, ask it like what's the best UX for this one. You can also ask it to build like rough wireframes for you, which can really help you if you're just starting out as a UI UX designer. So there's actually a lot of misconception about AI, like it will replace designers in a few years. For me, it just replaces all the designers who don't use AI versus who use it. So AI doesn't really replace the skill. You still need the eye and definitely you still need the foundations. So that's really it. Understand the difference between UI and UX, learn the foundations, learn the tool like Figma, train your eye by copying great work, and really take full advantage of AI to move faster than any previous generation of designers could. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.